Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dean. In this project I'm going to be making a donut. As you can see, I've already made a demo. It didn't work out because there was no hole in the center. So I went back to scratch and I made it again. This is a real donut. It's covered in glue and I put it in a container. I then got hot glue and covered the bottom of the container so that the silicone wouldn't run out. I then made up some silicone rubber and I poured it over the top of the donut. Once it was cured, I pulled the donut out and I have a real donut mold. So here I'm making the top of the donut. This is with melt and pour. It's around about 20 to 30 grams of goat's milk. And I'm just pouring it in onto the top of the donut because it's upside down. Like everything else with melt and pour, you spray it with rubbing alcohol. Now I'm going to make up some goat's milk. This is turmeric powder. The perfect color for a donut is actually a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of gold. So turmeric powder by itself is probably a too stronger orange color for a real donut looking soap. So this one's really easy to take out. However, if it was in a mold, 6 donuts in one mold, or even 4, it might be a bit difficult to take out. This is about an hour after I've poured it. As you can see, it looks pretty real, but the bottom of it needs a lot of work. I'm not quite sure at this stage how to actually make that work straight out of the mold. So I'd like to ask you this question. Would you like to see the entire process of making this mold? Because I'm actually keen to make a mold with 4 donuts or 6 donuts in one mold. And if I made this mold, I'll give it away because I personally have no use for it, but I know some of you might. So let me know in the comments below if this would be something that you could use in your business. And here are some of the soaps that I've made with this mold just today. They take about half an hour to an hour each one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.